What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to discuss about how much YouTube paid me for one of my videos that got over 300,000 views, and as time progresses it continues to get more views, and it's actually upwards near 400,000 views. Now I also do run, and this is going to be based on my tech channel, youtube.com/mtg productions. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. That is my main channel, and on this channel I just want to share with you guys my experiences I have on that channel, just some things about analytics, finance, money, and all that stuff. So if you do want to hear more about those topics, please be sure to like this video and subscribe, and let me know what types of content you would like to see. Now let's get right into it. So I'm going to go into content, and this video is actually a video that I kind of made with like a last minute decision. I was really hesitant on putting out this video, and I released it on October 4th of 2021. So if we look right here, it is the iPhone 13 mini versus 12 mini with 345,000 views. 413 comments, and a ratio of 95.4 of likes versus dislikes. So 5,000 plus likes versus 257 dislikes. So let's go click on it. Let's go to the analytics, and here we're going to be able to see pretty much everything. So there we go. So I received 300,000 plus views, and look at that revenue, $1,398.41. Now again, this video was totally just like last minute. I was like, you know what, I have both devices and I'll just review them and talk about the differences, because it wasn't a substantial upgrade. So for those who had a 12 mini, was it worth upgrading to the 13 mini? I was going to say 15 mini, 13 mini. And also because of this, I received almost 25,000 hours of watch time and 864 subscribers. Now remember, this channel is in the tech niche, so I mean, tech for RPMs, for example, doesn't make the highest. I know finance, for example, makes a much better RPM, revenue per mil, which is pretty much how much money you're paid for every 1,000 views. So let's actually click on the revenue. Let's go to revenue. So $4.06. So pretty much every 1,000 views I receive $4 from this video, and this is actually one of my highest paid videos on my MTG Productions, on my tech channel. So there is that. I mean, if we look from its upload date from October 4th, we make pretty much like $3 to $4 at the very least, like $2.50 every day, and it's just, it accumulates. It's not like substantial increase, and I don't make a lot every day from it. I mean, there's one spike with $10 in one day, because with this channel right now, at the time of this recording, I have almost 26,000 subscribers. But as you can tell, I mean, it's probably going to drop right here. 172, January 9th, 2022. The month of January for tech channels is definitely not the greatest, but then it shortly starts to pick up some steam right here towards the end of January going into February. It's in the 3s, sometimes in the 4s. At one point it was at what, $5.45. If we go to April, if we go to May, $10.34. And we come back to November 23rd. This was the highest yet, $14.30, November 23rd, 2022. So a whole year and 51 days later, I made $14 in one day just from this video. But as you can tell, this is a more than a year-long video, and it's still making me a couple dollars each day, even at like $3. $3 right here, $3.08, $2.86. It's still making me a couple dollars, so it does add up. And that's the thing. You never know what video is going to pop off. You never know what video is going to be successful for you. I honestly was just not going to post this type of comparison, because first of all, comparisons for me take a lot of time to make, just the video and the editing and all that stuff, and I'm just in a time crunch with the channel right now. I have a bunch of other things going on, trying to finish up school. That is one of my main things that takes up a lot of time. So I want to be very efficient and put out videos that aren't going to be as time consuming, but I just never knew that this one would pop off in terms of revenue. I mean, going back to the overview, that's some pretty good numbers if you ask me. For a channel that has 26,000 subscribers, I really like the outcome that I got with this. Just a couple tips. First of all, don't be hesitant. If you really want to post a video that you genuinely enjoy, then do it. You never know which video can pop off, which video will bring success. It's always going to be trial and error. Some that you work really hard on may flop, and some that you just hit the record button and just talk about what you're talking about in that video and then hit upload, and that may actually bring you lots of success in terms of revenue or even in terms of subscribers, watch time, or views. And also another thing is that you have to be patient. For me, patience has been a huge role in this channel, in growing this channel for the past, I started in 2014, and I only started taking it seriously in 2019. So about 3 to 4 years, I was able to grow from like 1,000 to 25, 26,000. And I'm still patient. I know that I'm not going to be making, for example, like $1,400 overnight, at least at this current level. Hopefully I am hopeful that I see those days in the future, but obviously for those to happen, I do have to work hard for it. So yes, it says how much you earn for every 1,000 views. If you look for the CPM, it's going to say how much advertisers pay every 1,000 times ads are shown on your videos. So there you go. I mean, obviously I'm making less than what the advertisers are paying. But $4 isn't too bad. I've seen some of my other videos flop at like $2.50, $3. So $4 RPM is not too bad. But yeah, this is how much I made with this video that got over 300,000 views, getting up to 400,000. And it's going to continue to make money throughout this year and next year. It's going to continue to make money. And as long as people continue to watch content based on the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini, this is still going to be a relevant video. I know iPhone axed the mini lineup. I hope they bring it back. But this is how much I made with this video in the tech niche. Again, this may change based on the content and the subject and the topic that you talk about on your videos on your channel. So I hope you guys did enjoy this insight. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Give me some recommendations of other types of videos you would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.